इयत्ता 9वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनो, आपण मॅथ्स टू जॉमेट्री त्यामधला फर्स्ट टॉपिक आज आपण सुरू करत आहोत आणि पहिला पॉइंट आहे डिस्टन्स बिटवीन टू पॉइंट्स. Of course, we are taking number line here, and on the number line, when we consider two distinct points, we know that there is a distance between two different points. So, on the number line, if we use the numbers, we can see that A and corresponding number -4, that is 1 1 1 1 1 2 corresponding. So this is the pair. H point 2 is the coordinate. So let us first complete the table there. What is the table there? A point. What is the coordinate there? A point, it is -4. This is the coordinate. And K point, what is the coordinate? 4. So like that we can complete the table. Coordinate is given, we have to find out the point. If 1 is there, then what is the point E? 1 is coordinate of which point? E. This is E. What about the 2 coordinate of which point? It is H. And first try to understand, when the points are on the number line, corresponding numbers are called coordinate of that point. So after that, see the point C and H. There is distance between C and H. From C, if we count 1 2 3 4, so from C to H, from H to C, 1 2 3 4. So that is the distance. When we count, we know the distance between 2 points. What about E and H? See the distance. It is 1. Like that we can calculate by counting the distance. But when the coordinates are given on the number line, how to calculate distance between 2 points? That is very interesting. Suppose the first example, using the number line, coordinate of K. What is the coordinate of K? It is 4. So we can write 4. And E point is there. What is the coordinate of E? 1. Then how to calculate distance between K and E? That is the example. So to find out distance between K and E, we can use that simple idea. See the greater coordinate. Between two coordinates, which one is greater? 4 is greater. So greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. If we use that 4 minus 1, that is the distance. And this is nothing but distance KE. Distance KE. Now let us consider another example. What is that? F coordinate. What is the coordinate of F? 3. And let us consider A point. What is the coordinate of A? Coordinate of A is -4. Let us calculate distance between F and A. Simple formula, that is distance FA is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Decide positive 3, negative 4. You know that which one is greater. So that is 3 minus smaller coordinate. So what is the calculation there? 3 plus 4, that is 7. So this is distance FA. Distance FA. So you can observe that the distance we are getting 2. The distance we are getting 7. The distance we are getting 3. Remember, you are getting distance between two distinct points. It is not negative. But if you take H point and if we give the name to this same point, suppose this is T, H point and T point, same point, but naming. What is the name of that point? H. Again, it is given. T is the name. Then you can think what is the distance between H and T. What is the distance between H and T? Definitely single point is there. Two names are given there. So there is no distance between H and T. No means it is 0. So when the point is same, two different points are not there, then distance we are getting 0. And here we are getting 2 positive, 7 positive, 3 positive. Or when the points are not different, we are getting 0 distance. So remember that distance between any 2 points, it is non-negative real number. You consider that a real number, set of real number, that is very important. So first point about the distance, it is definitely always non-negative real number. दोन बिंदू मधलं जे अंतर असतं ते ऋणेतर वास्तव संख्या हे लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करताना ग्रेटर कोऑर्डिनेट मायनस स्मॉलर कोऑर्डिनेट हा फॉर्म्युला आपण लक्षात ठेवायचा आहे. नाउ लेट अस कन्सिडर simple example there. What is that? The coordinate of A point on the number line, it is given -2. For example, this is point A and coordinate is -2. This is given and we have to find out what is that. A point coordinate is -2. Calculate the coordinates of points on the same line which are at 8 units away, which are 8 units away from A. A पासून at distance 8 अंतरावर आपल्याला जायचं आहे. We have to go away from A at 8 units. 8 अंतरावर तुम्हाला जायचं आहे. So you can say that we can go to the right hand side or we can go to the left hand side. So there are two possibilities there. When single point is there given and we are finding the coordinates of the point which is at, what is that, at an equal distance 8. 8 अंतरावरचा point तुम्हाला शोधायचा आहे. So what is that possibility there? We can go to the right hand side at distance 8. So let that point, what is that point? P. So we can start, let P is to the right of A. P point is to the right hand side, to the right of A. Therefore, coordinate of P, it will be, how to calculate coordinate of P which is to the right hand side? Coordinate of A that is minus 2 plus we are going away at 8 distance. So 8 units we are going away from the point A to the right hand side. So add that distance, and you know that minus 2 plus 8, it will be 6. So what will be the coordinate of P point at distance 8 away from A? And when we go to the left hand side, from A we are going to the left hand side. What is that second possibility there? This is first possibility. And what is the second possibility? Let Q, what about the point Q, is to the left of A. If it is to the left of the point A, then the coordinate of, what is the name of that point Q? Coordinate of Q, it will be, we are going away from minus 2 to the left hand side. So you subtract 8 there. And what is the coordinate of that point in that case? Minus 10. So this is very interesting example for you. You can see that if you are going to the right hand side, and if the name of that point is P minus 2 plus 8, it will be 6. And if you are going to the left hand side, minus 2 minus 8, it will be minus 10. And name of the point, what is that name of the point? Q. Q is to the left hand side and P is to the right hand side. So about distance, what is the first point? Remember, greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. And distance between 2 points, it is not negative real number. Remember this point. It is not negative real number. And the second thing, that is very interesting example for you, when the point is given on the number line and the coordinate of that point is given, and if you are finding, what is that, coordinates of points which are away from that given point at an equal distance. तुम्ही जर राईट ला गेला तर ऍड करा डिस्टन्स, लेफ्ट ला गेला तर डिस्टन्स मायनस करा. या पद्धतीनं हे एक्झाम्पल इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. आपल्याला गरजेच्या मनानं याचा ऑब्झर्वेशन करा, व्हिडिओज बघा, आणि तुम्हाला हे आवडले तर लाईक करा, तुम्ही शेअर करा आणि आमचं चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा. या अगोदरच आम्ही 10वीचे व्हिडिओ मॅथ्स 2 चे गेल्या वर्षी अबाउट 54 videos are already about subject 10th standard geometry. ते तुम्हाला YouTube चॅनलवरती बघायला मिळतील आणि त्याच्या जोडीला 9वीचे व्हिडिओज करायला सुरू केलेले आहेत.